Hello, hello, hello. StampinSueCreates here to share with you another fun unboxing. I received some fun goodies today from Stampin' Up. This is probably going to be, well, maybe I'll have one more. Maybe. I was going to say this is probably going to be the last unboxing of some fun goodies before the start of Celebration and the new mini catalog that's coming out. So I wanted to share it with you. Now I took it out of the box already only because today is Monday the 16th of December, and Monday night is the night that I put out my trash and my recyclables, which I have to tell you, I think I've been doing a lot of ordering. I do a lot of online shopping. Well, two reasons. One is because I feel it saves me money, because I don't go in the store and do all of that last minute kind of, oh, grab this, grab this, grab this. So I only, I go online. I know what I need as far as sizes and what I'm looking for. There's no going through racks. I love that. And, well, you know how it is. You look through the catalog, the Stampin' Up! Catalog, you know exactly what you want. Well, and you just order it and it comes to you. So I like getting mail, and I like opening boxes, and I like to save money, so why not, right? So let's go, before I go off into a whole other tangent, and let me just silence that. So yeah, anyhow, okay, let's see what I got. So I got a combination of old versus new. So those of you that placed an online qualifying order with me and used a host code, I have these metallic brads that I'll be sending out to you. Now, in order to qualify for any of my freebies I give, be sure to either contact me and ask me, or check on my Facebook page or on my blog at StampinSueCreates and see what the host code is and what the offer is. Now, starting in the year 2020, I'm collaborating with a bunch of other demonstrators. We're finally allowed to say. I've been busy working on this, and I'm going to have fun tutorials. So I'll be able to send those out to you. So more information will be coming, with that. But right now, let's go on. So Stampin' Dimensionals, who doesn't need more of those? That's like a staple in every order, you know what I mean? What else is? Well, the rest is all new stuff. So, look at these. Let's open them up. These are new heart doilies. And now I didn't say dory. I said doilies. Ooh, look how pretty these are. Look at those. And the back is white, so you can actually make them any color. But we have real red, and I believe this is Flirty Flamingo. Does it tell us? Probably in the catalog it does, which I can't open that up and show you yet due to regulations. But that looks to me like Flirty Flamingo. Let's pull it out here. Yeah, I'm thinking it may be. But you get something new coming out. 40. So 20 and 20. And because they're white on the back, you can make them any color you want. So I thought that was fun. Now, Valentine's Day is very short. It's a one-day thing. I don't like to go hog wild on Valentine's Day things, but I wanted to get something, so I can use that. And another thing I got for Valentine's Day, these are heart foil tins. And I'm thinking maybe those little heart doilies are going to fit in here. But I thought these were really cute, so let's see them up close and personal. Ooh, yes, they are. Look at. They're tins, and oh my goodness, look at, they have a little, I didn't realize they had a cover to go on them. Okay, come on. I think I have more than one here. I do. There we are. Oh my goodness. Look at how cute they are. This is going to go, oh, look at. Let me see if one of these hearts is going to fit in there. I'm thinking it's going to. Or you can put it, you can put it on the front of it. Oh my gosh, it fits right perfectly in there. Sorry, you're getting a glare from that. And let's open it up and see. It just fits. Oh, look at you can put that in there and maybe some little candies and decorate it up. Oh, those are super cute. And I love that they have lids. I guess I didn't read. You know how we are. We get so excited. We don't read everything. I think they go like that. Yeah. So these are heart foil tins. You get 10 of them. And aren't they super cute? Look at the back. I love them. Cute. So, like I said, I don't do a lot of Valentine's Day because it's here and gone. But I wanted to get a little something, something. So, okay. Okay, next up, of course, many of you know, or maybe you don't know, my team is called the SAB. So it's my name, S-U-E, capital letters, Wheat, W-H-E-E-T, like sweet, B stampers. So, did that Stampin' Up! Not come out with this just for me or what? The Honeybee stamp set. Look at how cute that is. And look, it says, wishing you sunshine and happiness. Thinking of you, sweet friend. Hello, thank you. Celebrate every moment. 2 little flowers and 2 bees and a beehive. So excited. And guess what else they did for me? Yes, they did. Detailed bee dies. Yes. So, of course you know. And if you see something here, this is a free item. So, just saying. Okay, so let's check these out. All right, I'm excited. Whew. Oh, look at... Okay, so this big bee, you're going to be able to stamp him and cut him out. And I think, oh, maybe not. Maybe this is the outline for him. Oh, this is the outline. This is a separate bee. So we have for the flowers to cut out. Here's for the little bee. Here's to cut out the beehive. Some little hearts, which that can work for Valentine's Day. And look at the honeycomb. How cute is that? So this is available, will be available for customers beginning January 3rd. And it's going to be a bundle. So you know what Stampin' Up! Does with brand new bundle products is, yes, they do. They save you 10% by purchasing the bundle. I don't know why I struggle with this. Does anybody else struggle? I saw another demo. I was watching her, and she just went whoop, whoop, and in it went. So I don't know what I'm doing wrong. But anyhow, okay, I'm not going to waste your time watching that. But cute honeybee bundle, detailed bee dies, and the stamp set. Super cute. And go along with that, now this is a free item from Celebration Bee, and I'm a demonstrator. When I place an order of 50 or more, I can get celebration items. And look what Stampin' Up! Has done. How many of you remember, normally they have the sticky part on here. When you go to take your paper out, it gets all stuck on that. Well, look what they did. They listened to us, and they put the sticky on here. Are they not the best or what? And look at this thick piece of chipboard that comes with it. But here is, let me get the technical term, the Golden Honey Specialty Designer Series paper. So when you hear specialty, you know what that means, right? It means some sort of embossing. And yes, look at the gold embossing. So this is a free item that you will be able to get with each $50 purchase starting in January. Now, while supplies are available, so FYI, you know, remember last year when things ran out, but they're promising us that they ordered more of everything. So, but, you know, can't promise that. Look how cute this is. This is like gold honeycomb. And for you paper sniffers out there, smells good. So here's black with like a honeycomb design on it. And the other side just has these little lines, so you can color this in. We'll probably be doing that, I'm sure. But I love the black. Black and gold and white is just so classy. Oh my goodness, speaking of gold and white, look at these honeybees and beehives. How cute are they? And then here we have some plain. If you're not into that, you have they're like a little octagon shape. Or hexagon. I don't know. Octagon has 8. This has 5. So it's probably hexagon, right? Correct me if I'm right or wrong. Ooh, and then of course a pretty gold and black stripe. And then those pretty flowers. And something is raised here. Hold on a sec. Oh yeah, the stripes are like raised. You can feel that the gold is a little bit higher than the black. So you can feel that. When you get yours, you could feel it. And then here's like dashes at a diagonal. And on the back, those pretty flowers, which you can color in. They'd be beautiful with the Stampin' Blends. So I'm excited for that. So again, this is a free, right there. It does stick to your paper underneath though, FYI. And I was so mean with that I tore my little baggie. But we're going to fix it. We're going to make everything right. I don't know why I'm putting away, because as soon as I'm done with this, I'm going to start playing. So yeah, cute paper, cute stamp set, coordinating dies. Now I've already shown you these. Can you believe I've already used a whole pack of this paper already? This is the Peaceful Poppies Designer Series paper. I got 2 of them because I just think they're beautiful. And I'm thinking for my bingo in March, we may be making some cards out of this because it's beautiful paper. Beautiful. And then here we have a card kit. This is the Kerchief card kit. And, oh, it looks just like handkerchiefs. But pretty handkerchiefs. Let me open it from this side. This, again, this is another celebration item. We're only allowed to get 1 of each celebration item. So I've already gotten a few stamp sets. So I wanted to see what this is all about. So I love card kits, as many of you know. They remind me of our paper pumpkin kits. So I think it's a great way to get started with Stampin' Up. If you're new or if you're experienced, you can go beyond what Stampin' Up has. So again, this is a set of every language here, one that I can't understand. 1 set. They're 6 by 9 inch. I don't know if it tells you how many. Okay, so here's like what your kit includes. Okay, 8 printed card bases and 8 printed envelopes. Die cuts, gold foil leaves, vellum accents, twine, dimensionals, and adhesive dots. Oh, and there's the cards that you make. Whoops. Ain't they pretty? So yes, here's all the dimensionals, your twine, your glue dots. Here's the envelopes, and oh, I love when they do this to the inside of the envelopes. They have it printed on there, so it doesn't add any extra bulk. Here's your little die cuts, pretty, and look at those leaves, pretty. Here's the vellum, and here's some more envelopes, and sorry about that. My desk is like creaking every time I move my arm. And here's some gold, you can't see. Here's some gold embossed vellum. I don't know if you didn't see the leaves. Some punch outs here. Flowers, pretty. And here's your card bases. Those are pretty. And your gold foil accents. They don't have adhesive on it, so that's what you use your glue dots. And then we have this color. Ooh, that's so pretty. I love that. And then look, they already have these stamped for you, so you don't even need a stamp set. And they're in every different language. So if you want to send one of your French friends, you know, something, you can... Bonjour, la cibro. I don't know. I don't know French. I don't know. I only had 1 year of Spanish, so I'm not good with that either. But if you know it, then you know it says. But it says celebrate today. And this says thinking of you. So you have different languages if you want to play around with those too. So, I mean, you really could send them outside the U.S. Or if you have friends that speak French or Spanish or whatever other language these are, German I think too, I don't know. I apologize for that because I have a hard enough time speaking English sometimes, you know what I mean? But anyhow, that's going to be a card kit that you'll be able to get with a $50 purchase. Each $50 purchase you get a free celebration item, and that runs January 3rd through the end of March. And so that, oh, here we go. It's English, French, Dutch, maybe, and Japanese? D-E. Help me. I know it's English and French and Japanese, but D-E. I don't know. Sorry. But anyhow, so that is my little haul. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you come back here to see what all I'm going to do with all these fun little products. And be sure to like, comment, subscribe. And come on over to Facebook. I do weekly Facebook Lives on Thursdays at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. You could come on over there, ask questions, join in the chat, whatever you like to do. Thanks for watching. Have a great night, and we'll see you back here again real soon. Bye-bye for now.